Hi everybody, Paul here again. One of the major components on the air conditioning system in your vehicle is called a compressor clutch. This plays a major role in providing cool air. This is what a typical air conditioner compressor looks like, which will be located by the front of the engine, by the drive belt. You'll also see two refrigerant lines attached to it, like you see here. The AC compressor clutch is located here on the outside of the pulley wheel. The clutch only turns when it's called upon to circulate refrigerant through the air conditioner system. So the clutch turns on and off as needed to deliver cool air. The clutch system is electromagnetic, which is what allows it to engage or disengage from the compressor pulley wheel. The clutch system consists of a clutch, a pulley bearing, and a clutch coil. If the air conditioner control button on your vehicle ever starts flashing like you see here, then this is a warning sign that the clutch on the compressor is not turning like it's supposed to. Another reason the clutch will not turn is due to the compressor not receiving voltage at the electrical connections, so let's see how to check for voltage. With the key out of the ignition, first disconnect the electrical connection for the clutch, which will be located here by the clutch, next to the pulley wheel. Next, take a digital multimeter and place it on 20 DC volts. Attach the first lead from the digital multimeter using an alligator clip to the positive battery terminal. Notice when I touch the second probe lead to the negative battery terminal, the battery voltage is 12.57 volts. Now take the second probe lead and check the two electrical contacts inside the connection. One of the contacts should show close to the same battery voltage. The first contact shows no voltage. The second contact shows 12.57 volts, so the electrical connection to the clutch is getting voltage. Again, with the key out of the ignition, disconnect the other electrical connection here on the compressor. This electrical connection will usually have a black, white, and possibly a green wire like you see here. Again, keep the digital multimeter on 20 DC volts while still attached to the positive battery terminal. Next, take the second probe lead again and check the black and white wire electrical contacts inside the connection. Both contacts should show close to the same battery voltage. The black wire shows 12.57 volts. The white wire shows 12.45 volts, so the electrical connection to the compressor is getting voltage. Next, check the green wire if you have one. The easiest way to perform this test is with two people. You'll need two probe leads for the digital multimeter. Be sure to keep your hands away from any moving drive belts, cooling fan blades, or hot surfaces. Again, keep the digital multimeter on 20 DC volts. For the first test, I'll touch one probe to the black wire connection and the other probe to the green wire connection. Next, I have someone else start the car and then turn the air conditioner on with the blower on low, medium, or high. As soon as the air conditioner turns on, you should get a voltage reading which tells you the electrical connection is getting voltage. However, because the electrical connection is disconnected, after a few seconds, it may show no voltage, which is normal. The reason it may do this is because the computer senses no voltage going to the compressor, so the air conditioner system turns off. Now I'll perform the actual test. Okay, start. Okay, stop. As you can see, the electrical connection to the compressor is getting voltage. Next, I'll perform the exact same test, except this time I'll touch one probe to the white wire connection and the other probe to the green wire connection. Okay, start. Okay, stop. As you can see again, the electrical connection to the compressor is getting voltage. If you're not getting voltage to the compressor, then it may be due to faulty wiring or corrosion. It may also be due to failure of another component in the air conditioner system. I hope you found this helpful, and if you like this video, please hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and please be sure to subscribe. God bless you and have a great day. Bye for now.